Hey everybody, I have a pretty small haul to share with you, and I am mainly doing this because I have been sick the past week and I haven't created anything new, and I got this in the mail today, so I figured I'd share it with you guys so that I have a new video to share with you guys, even though I know haul videos aren't everybody's thing, but I know some people enjoy watching them. So before I get into what I got, I did want to say that I got this from Scrapbook.com, and I love ordering from Scrapbook.com because I ordered it over the weekend and today is Wednesday and I already received it. So they're always super fast shipping and they package everything so nicely, and there's always freebies that you can kind of get coupon codes for and different things. So I want to show you or share with you right now, as I'm making this video, you can still get 15% off art impressions, and for the next 28 hours you can get an extra 10% off your your whole purchase, and you can also receive a 2-pack of Ranger Tim Holtz Distress crayons as a freebie. And scrolling down here so I could share with you guys, and I believe the magazine that I'm going to share with you today is still available, and there's always tons of other sales and things going on, so I will have a link to the coupons and deals page over on scrapbook.com. So if you're ever wondering what kind of deals they have or anything like that, you can always check back there. So I mainly purchased this stuff for an upcoming video for scrapbook.com, and of course I didn't have to, but I had so many ideas running through my head, and I just wanted some new things to play with and an excuse to buy some new stamps. So anyways, I'm going to first show you the Neat and Tangled stamps, and this is the first time I have gotten Neat and Tangled, I believe. I don't think I have any more or any other ones. So I wanted to get just the little ones, and I love this one. This is called Falling Heart Stamp. So it looks like that. Let me see. I think it's a little bright. There we go. So you can stamp this out multiple times if you want, or you know, there's so many different options for this. And then I really like this one. Nice sentiment. It says hope anchors the soul, and it's hope anchor stamp set. And this one, I love this. You are my most favorite, and my favorite stamp set. That's what it's called. And of course I will have everything linked down below and also over on my website. And this is Lucky Stars die. I have something in mind for this. I'm not sure if it's going to work out because I haven't done anything like that, what I'm thinking of before. So hopefully it will work out. And so next I'm going to show you Altenew. You guys know that I am obsessed with Altenew stamps. And I don't know how new these are, but oh no, this one is old, but I actually really love it. This one is, what's this one called? I always forget their names are on the front. Magnolias for her. It says congratulations, thank you, super mom. So I love this one. I think because it looks really nice to color, I feel like I just want to color the flowers. And then I got this one, and again, I forgot that it's on the front. This one's Frosted Garden. Really love this one. Can't wait to use this. So really nice. Sorry for the glare. And then I got this one here from Paper Smooches. I really love these brush strokes. And as I am making this video, everything is still available, so hopefully it still is. I know sometimes, you know, things can get snatched up pretty quickly. So hopefully if you are wanting anything, you can grab it up, especially if you take advantage of the freebies and also the 10% off over on scrapbook.com. So this one is called Positive Strokes 2. So I love these. Really cool. And the freebie I got was the this scrapbook and cards. What is this? Magazine. And of course I'm not gonna go through it because I think there's probably some sort of copyright, you know, all that kind of stuff. So if you want one, then you gotta order. And then also when I ordered, you got a free what is this, a dye, Blossom Spray dye from Tonic Studios. And you do, it's not automatic, so you do have to find, you know, if there is any freebies or anything that day, and add it to your cart, and it will say 0, so it won't be anything extra. And I believe for this stuff, I think it was like $4 to ship, so really cheap. And I just love scrapbook.com. So anyways, yeah, and I do want to say hello to every one of the new subscribers. I have gotten a ton of new subscribers, and again, I want to thank you all for watching my videos and for all of your support. And hopefully in the next few days I can get you guys a project. I am thinking of altering a paintbrush or some sort of mixed media, something for you guys. So stay tuned for that. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And let's see, I think that's it. Yeah. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.